what you're seeing in the upper right-hand corner here is first button is called the Resource Center. And if I select this, it's going to open it in a second window. So you can always have the Resource Center open as well as your TouchStone account. So here's TouchStone still there, and it's just been opened in the second window. What the Resource Center is about is it's a help center inside of TouchStone. There's a user guides area right here where this gives you kind of a step-by-step for everything in TouchStone. So you have a question about how any of the functionality works, or a question about when and where to use the functionality, you can always come to the user guides area. You just click right on the subject you're looking for, and you're usually going to see a screenshot. Sometimes there's little videos off to the right here. In the Webinars tool right here button, you can view our strategy webinars if you'd like. These are just some of our strategic alliances have their business coaches, and they've put in, we've put in webinars on just advice that they have on building and using processes. So these are more kind of higher level webinars that you can go to get inspiration on particular subjects on building processes. You also have access to the technical training series. So this is the series that occurred last. Every week that that a new training like today has occurred, we'll replace this one with this new one. So you'll always get an email with a link to the video of the training series that just occurred, but if you lose that or you're just wondering where to see all of them, you can always access them here. And then there's a whole bunch of other stuff here in TouchStone. There's videos that you can watch, how-to videos. One area I particularly like is this one called Process of the Week under videos. So here you can go to any subject and get like a 10-15 minute overview of all the library processes related to that subject. So we have a process called strategic planning in the library, and this is a little 15-minute video on how to use that. So if you ever download a library process and you're just confused by it, or you want to know more about how to use it, going here is a good idea. One more thing I just want to highlight before we move on is the Support Plus tab. So here you can contact us quite easily through support. You can send a message right here. If you have a problem or a feature request, or you're running into some kind of issue, you click Report a Problem, and that gets right to us quickly. So come to the Resource Center if you have a question or an issue, or you just kind of want some inspiration.